2 million views with only 11 videos. No face, no studio. The secret is out. Welcome to the AI TechDrift. This channel, 976,000 views, 309,000 views, made entirely with free AI tools, no camera, no actors, no budget. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make one yourself for completely free. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you will have everything you need to make your first AI short film. Here is what nobody is telling you. There is an entire category of AI content exploding on YouTube right now. Cinematic, dramatic, completely faceless, no studio, no green screen, no expensive equipment. The Flow Factory figured this out with just 11 videos, 10.9 thousand subscribers, nearly 1 million views. I'm going to show you the exact free tools they use and the one mistake that stops most people from ever finishing their first film. But before I show you the tools, I need to warn you about that mistake first, because if you skip this part, you could spend hours creating something beautiful and YouTube will refuse to monetize it. I will tell you exactly what it is and how to fix it. But first, let me show you the complete free tool stack. Step 1. Every great film starts with a story. Open ChatGPT, completely free. Type this exact prompt. Write me a cinematic 3-minute sci-fi short film script. Dark atmosphere, no dialogue, just scene descriptions. Watch what it gives you. A complete professional script in 30 seconds for free. Step 1 done. Step 2. Now we bring the script to life. Open Google Flow, also free with your Google account. Take your first scene description from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and hit generate. Look at that, a cinematic AI video clip. From a text description that took 60 seconds. Do this for every scene in your script. Step 2 done. Step 3, your film needs a voice. Open ElevenLabs. Free plan gives you enough to start. Ask ChatGPT to write a narration for every script. Type your narration. Choose a deep cinematic voice. In my case, I will be picking Rogers as my narrator because he has thick and cinematic voice. Hit generate.
Surface fractured and faintly glowing holds the memory of something long extinguished.
Professional voiceover in seconds. Now open CapCut, free. Import all your video clips. Drop your voiceover underneath. We are not going to add background music because we got it while generating it from Google Flow.
In the far silence of space, a dying world drifts.
Completely free and copyright safe. You now have a complete AI short film. 3 tools, all free, under 30 minutes. Now, the mistake, the Flow Factory and channels like them, some of them got denied by YouTube monetization. Here's exactly why. They uploaded AI visuals with AI voiceover and no original human element. YouTube called it reused content. The fix is one sentence. Record yourself saying one line at the start, even just your opening hook, your real voice. That one change makes your channel fully monetizable. One sentence, that is all it takes. That is the complete system drifters. ChatGPT for your script, Google Flow for your visuals, ElevenLabs for your voice, CapCut for your edit, all free, all available right now. If this opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button. I drop AI tools and strategies like this every single week. No paid tools, no sponsored garbage. And if you want my complete list of 200 free secret websites, the link is in the description. I am AI TechDrift. Create, automate, scale. See you in the next one.